Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best digital oscilloscope multimeters review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. GVD GD188 Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter. The GD188 offers a 50 MSA/S sampling rate with 12 MHz analog bandwidth, making it useful for basic signal analysis, electronics troubleshooting, and circuit testing. It also features 3 waveform scanning modes: auto, normal, and single, allowing you to capture signals quickly and easily. The device also includes a signal generator, capable of producing sine, square, and triangle waveforms. You can adjust the frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle, which is very helpful when testing electronic circuits or components. The GD188 provides 6,000 counts measurement and supports a wide range of functions including AC, DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, diode testing, and continuity testing. The device features a 2.4-inch HD color screen with 320 by 240 pixel resolution, giving you a clear view of waveform signals and measurement results. Another useful feature is the data storage function, allowing you to save up to 100 sets of measurement data and 10 waveform records for later analysis. The GD188 uses a replaceable 18650 lithium battery, providing over 8 hours of continuous operation, and it charges through a Type-C port. Overall, the GVDA GD188 is a portable and versatile tool suitable for electronics repair, automotive diagnostics, electrical engineering work, and DIY electronics projects. Number 4. Owen HDS242 Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter. The HDS242 offers 2 channels with up to 200 MHz bandwidth and a real-time sampling rate of 1 GS/S. This allows it to capture fast signals with high accuracy, making it suitable for electronics troubleshooting, laboratory testing, and professional diagnostics. The device also features an 8K record length, helping you capture more signal details during waveform analysis. One of the highlights of this device is the 3.5-inch high-resolution color LCD display, which provides clear waveform visualization and easy navigation through measurement data. The HDS242 works as a full-featured digital multimeter, capable of measuring AC, DC voltage, current, resistance, and other essential electrical parameters, making it a practical tool for everyday electrical testing. The device uses a replaceable 18650 lithium battery, providing up to about 6 hours of continuous operation. It also supports USB Type-C connectivity, so you can power it with a power bank or connect it to a computer for PC software integration. Overall, the Owen HDS242 is a compact, multifunctional diagnostic tool perfect for electronics engineers, technicians, students, and DIY enthusiasts. Number 3. FNIRSI DS210 Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter. The DST210 oscilloscope offers a 48 MSA/S sampling rate with 10 MHz analog bandwidth, which allows you to analyze electronic signals and waveforms accurately. It also includes voltage protection up to plus or minus 400 volts, making it suitable for many electronics and automotive testing tasks. The built-in signal generator supports 13 different waveform types with adjustable frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle. This makes it very useful for testing circuits, sensors, and electronic components. The DST210 provides 19,999 counts measurement and supports a wide range of functions including AC, DC voltage, AC, DC current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, temperature, diode, and continuity testing. It also includes data hold and recording modes for easier analysis. The device features a 2.8-inch TFT color display with adjustable backlight, making measurements and waveforms easy to read in different lighting conditions. Powering the unit is a 3,000 mAh rechargeable battery, which can provide up to around 15 hours of standby time, making it suitable for long repair sessions or field work. Charging is done through a Type-C port. Overall, the FNIRSI DST210 is a compact and multifunctional tool ideal for electronics repair, automotive diagnostics, DIY projects, and educational use. Number 2. ZT703S Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter. The ZT703S is its dual-channel oscilloscope with up to 50 MHz bandwidth, allowing you to view and compare two signals at the same time. This makes troubleshooting electronic circuits much easier compared to single-channel oscilloscopes. The device also has a high sampling rate of up to 280 ms/s and 128K storage depth, helping capture detailed waveforms accurately. It also supports persistence mode, which helps detect unstable or abnormal signals that might otherwise be missed. The 3.5-inch TFT color display is bright and clear, making waveform readings easy to see. The interface includes one-key auto adjustment, which automatically configures waveform settings for quick measurements. The ZT703S offers 25,000 counts true RMS measurement and supports AC, DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, diode, and continuity testing. Another useful feature is the built-in signal generator, which can output different waveforms like sine, square, triangle, and sawtooth, making it perfect for testing and circuit development. You can also save waveform screenshots directly on the device and transfer them to a computer using the USB Type-C port. Powering the unit is a 3,400 mAh rechargeable battery, providing long operating time for portable work. Overall, the ZT703S is a versatile tool for electronics repair, automotive diagnostics, and DIY electronics projects. Number 1. Tooltop ET2010A Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter. The ET2010A offers a 1 MHz analog bandwidth with a 2.5 MSBS sampling rate, which is quite useful for basic electronic diagnostics, signal testing, and small laboratory projects. It also supports 3 waveform scanning modes: auto, normal, and single, making it easier to capture signals depending on your testing needs. This device is a 4,000 count digital multimeter capable of measuring AC, DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, and it also includes diode and continuity testing. It supports both automatic and manual range selection, which is great for both beginners and experienced users. The device also allows you to save up to 100 sets of measurement data and 10 waveform captures, which is very convenient for later analysis. On the display side, it features a 2.4-inch color screen with 320 by 240 pixel resolution, giving you a clear view of waveforms and measurement data. The ET2010A includes 10 ampere overload protection with dual protective tubes, helping protect the device during high current measurements. Other handy features include RL mode to reduce interference, automatic power off after 15 minutes, and a bright backlit display for easier viewing. Overall, the Tooltop ET2010A is a portable and affordable tool for electronics repair, DIY projects, and basic signal analysis.